Welcome back to the channel. My name's Ardil and today is all about this absolutely stunning Porsche 911 997 Carrera 4S. Yeah, that is a bit of a mouthful, but this car has had an absolutely bonkers level of transformation and we really wanted to document that and show that to you guys. So the first thing is on the outside part. We had some damage on the front end of the car and on the back rear bumper section. They have both been removed, been painted and then come back to us. The front end of the bumper had PPF on it. So what we've done is remove the PPF, had that repainted because the damage was actually done underneath there as well, and then reapplied the paint protection film to get that looking absolutely mint at the front end of the car. Then what we've got in terms of the back end, obviously that's been resprayed and that is now looking absolutely perfect. On the inside of the car, that's where a lot of the work's been taking place. So you'll note on the, just behind the rear view mirror area, you've got the dash cam. This dash camera is something called the Thinkware U3000. It's a phenomenal wide angle lens, 4K front camera, also with a battery system. So this car is actually protected when the vehicle is parked. So like now, it's actually recording us doing the filming work because it is all live operational when the vehicle is parked, but zero draw on your vehicle's battery, which is absolutely phenomenal and also giving you protection while on the road, but also when parked up. In terms of the head unit upgrade, we've gone for the 8021 unit. This is Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We've also added in the Porsche logo on boot up screen, as well as the ProFit wedge camera at the back of the car to help with parking the vehicle. Then the probably largest amount of work that's been involved on this is doing the interior detail as well as the interior restoration work. This car came in looking rather tight on the inside. Everything was very, very shiny, which isn't how the car was supposed to be. The car actually has quite a matte finish to this beautiful red interior, and we brought that back. This car, honestly, on the inside of it, looks brand spanking new. It looks absolutely incredible, and I know the owner of this car. We recently did his other car. He's gonna absolutely love this because it has taken the car back to how it looked from day one. And this client bought the car, I believe, used and never owned it since brand new. So never would have seen it in this beautiful, beautiful state that it now is. A hell of a lot of work has gone in to recolonizing everything, to get everything incredibly well finished, repainted some of the silver trims across the vehicle, but also repainting some of that leather, fixing those damaged cracked leather work across the entire vehicle. It had so many marks all over it, which cars do. It's not something that is hard to avoid, especially on a generation of this era. They've always got marks all over them, and being able to fix every inch of this car, which was the outline from our client, that he didn't want to have any bit of marks on this car. He wanted everything transformed and giving it that full CBS Automotive treatment, which he's had, and it looks absolutely incredible. I'm really happy with the work that's happened on this car. It's come out absolutely beautiful. And then obviously the interior detail, wet vacuuming, steaming the entire car, cleaning everything down, has given it a really fresh new feel and new look in the vehicle. Bear in mind, guys, also this vehicle has had a full custom sound system. We've got our partner brand Cambridge Car Audio, which will be focusing a video on that, having a full custom A-pillars, the custom sub box, and loads of other stuff done on the vehicle in terms of audio. So if you're interested in sound upgrades for this particular car, make sure you head over to the Cambridge Car Audio channel as well. Subscribe there because there'll be content on this car as well as across all our social media platforms on the CBS Automotive brand and CBS Automotive, on Cambridge Car Audio and CBS Automotive. But overall, really breathtaking. A phenomenal amount of work that's gone in to this car to get it to where we are. I'm missing things as we go, but we've also done new center caps on the wheels, alloy wheel refurb. There's so many things that we've done on the car. I'm sure I've missed a load of different things, but it's been a really cool project and we just wanted to showcase that to you. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.